Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the obvious controls. Raise the system volume to about 50% and check any hardware mute switch. Once done, open the app and check its internal audio slider. Some apps keep their own levels separate from system volume. Next, force quit any music or call apps that might hog audio. This frees the audio channel. If the app offers output selection, make sure it's set to the device speaker rather than Bluetooth or HDMI. You now check deeper. Open system settings and ensure the app has permission to use audio or microphone if required. Next, verify the OS output device, speakers versus headphones or virtual devices, and switch if needed. On desktops, update or reinstall audio drivers. On phones, ensure the latest OS version. Once done, disconnect Bluetooth or HDMI to rule out routed audio. Then test with a wired headset. This isolates whether the problem is routing or the app itself. You finish by resetting the app, clear cache or app data, and if that fails, reinstall the application. Once reinstalled, perform a final test. If possible, boot in safe mode or use a fresh user profile to exclude extensions or conflicting apps. If audio returns in safe mode, selectively enable apps to find the conflict. If silence persists, capture relevant logs, note device model, OS version, and exact steps. Then contact support with that information for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.